Welcome to a quick demonstration of the FRISS integration for Guidewire. This seamless integration helps you streamline legitimate claims, detect fraudulent ones, and keep insurance honest. Let's look at how simple this process can be. When a claims adjuster enters a first notice of loss, a FRISS score, indicating the likelihood of fraud for each claim, is instantly shown at the top of the screen. A simple green, yellow, or red indicator gives you a straightforward risk indication, and a high FRISS score means something suspicious is found. The FRISS score is available in less than 2 seconds, giving the adjuster real-time, actionable risk indicators within their existing workflows. In this example claim, the insured, Brittany, swerved to avoid hitting an animal and then sideswiped a guardrail. Based on information available through the claim, as well as numerous real-time third-party data checks, FRISS returned a low score of 30. This indicates the claim carries almost no fraud risk, and the insurance carrier may elect to fast-track payment through a low-touch or touchless process. Based upon this prediction, the customer benefits from frictionless service and quick payment when appropriate. Several days after the initial claim is entered and paid, a passenger named Jennifer claims injuries. Since new information was added to the claim, FRISS automatically rescreens the case in the background. A FRISS score of 230 is now returned for this new exposure. Since this FRISS score is high, it shows up as a red suspicion indicator and automatically blocks payments from being made. With exposure level scoring, you can now settle legitimate losses quickly while spending follow-up time only on suspicious ones. The insurance carrier can set up specific workflows, such as adding the case to a senior analyst's work plan for further review, or sending it directly to a triage or special investigations team. When an investigator logs in for the day, they'll see that this case is automatically shown and prioritized on their activity list. And they now have the actionable insights they need to make better decisions. When necessary, a FRISS investigator can work this claim in the FRISS Case Management suite of products. Within the Claim Center interface, the investigator can drill down to see exactly how the score was built up. In this example, the passenger is listed in the NICB database for an earlier fraudulent injury claim. The accident happened in a no-fault state while the passenger lives in Texas, and the FRISS AI fraud model returned a high probability of fraud on this exposure. You can also see and review the history of the FRISS score, which is automatically updated anytime new information is added. Once the investigation is completed, feedback is provided on the accuracy of the FRISS score. This feedback allows self-learning FRISS AI models to consistently adapt to new fraud scenarios and patterns, and helps the carrier track their fraud activity. Several configuration options allow carriers to modify FRISS triggers and actions directly within Claim Center in order to best fit their risk appetite and workflows. Available as a DevConnect add-on, the FRISS integration can be launched quickly, providing a near-instant ROI. Preventing payments on fraudulent claims considerably improves your combined ratio. Perhaps more importantly, paying trusted claims quickly will turn your customers' moments of misery into moments of magic, enhancing your reputation as a customer-first carrier. No one helps you fight fraud quite like FRISS, and together with Guidewire, we are making insurance more honest.